In this video, you will learn how to access and save the Fusion 360 design, create a drawing from the design, and place the base view on a drawing sheet. For this tutorial, we are going to use a design that's a part of the basic training section of the data panel. In the data panel, navigate to the project list and scroll down to the sample section. Double-click the basic training and open up the 08 drawings folder. Double-click the grinder vise design to open it. As indicated in the title bar, this design is read-only, so I recommend using the Save As command to preserve the original version of the design. Go ahead and click File and select Save As. Save the design into your desired location. Now you can see the design is no longer read-only. Let's create a new drawing from the design. Click on the design icon on the left of the toolbar to view other available workspaces. Move your cursor onto the drawing workspace and select From Design. The Create Drawing dialog displays. Select the Full Assembly option if it's not already selected. Select ASME from the Drawing Format drop-down. Select Inches from the Units drop-down, and make sure the B 17 inches by 11 inches is selected for the sheet size. Click OK to initiate the drawing. Notice that a new File tab is automatically generated and the base view preview is attached to the cursor. Click on the bottom left quadrant of the sheet to place the base view. Make sure the orientation is set to front, the style is set to visible edges, the scale is set to 1:4, and click OK. Now you can see the shaded preview matured into a 2D line drawing of the view. Now you know how to create a new drawing and place the base view on the drawing sheet. Thanks for watching.